Bagels. Bagels are one of my all-time favorites. There's something deeply comforting about them. The soft center, the golden crust, the way they hold your favorite fillings like a warm hug. But today, we are not making just any bagel. Today we are making high-protein, gluten-friendly, soul-satisfying bagel using red lentils. Yes, lentils. Trust me, this one is going to steal your heart. So grab your blender, take a deep breath, and let's fall in love all over again. Here I have 1 cup of red lentils, soaked in water overnight. Look at them, soft and ready to transform. This simple soaking step is magic. It makes the lentil easier to digest, easier to blend, and unbelievably creamy. Drain the water and gently add them into your blender. Now we layer in the love. Add 4 tablespoons of zero-fat Greek yogurt, silky, tangy, and packed with protein. Then 4 tablespoons of psyllium husk, our secret weapon for structure, fiber, and beautiful bagel chew. Now season it gently. Half teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This will give our bagel that soft, airy lift. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Blend everything until it becomes a smooth, velvety paste. Pour this gorgeous lentil mixture into a large bowl. Now we turn it into dough. Add 2 tablespoons of oat flour, 2 tablespoons of ground walnuts for healthy fats and the soft richness. Mix slowly, lovingly until it forms a soft, workable dough. Not too dry, not too sticky, just perfect. Drip a few drops of oil onto your palm and rub them together. Take a portion of the dough. The size depends on how generous your heart feels today. Roll it into a smooth ball. Flatten it gently into a round circle. And create a little hole in the center. There it is, your bagel. Place it gently on a parchment paper. Spray a little oil on the paper so nothing sticks, because nothing beautiful should ever feel trapped. Repeat with the remaining dough. Today I am making just 2 bagels for myself, because sometimes self-love looks like freshly baked bread. Now comes my favorite part. Sprinkle your favorite topping. Today I am using everything bagel seasoning. Garlic, onion, sesame, poppy, every tiny seed whispering, I love you. Slide the tray into the air fryer 400 degrees for 20 minutes and let the transformation happen. In just 20 minutes, your kitchen will smell like comfort, your heart will feel lighter, and your bagels will be golden, proud, and ready. And here they are, soft inside, golden outside, high protein, high fiber, high love. Today I am spreading low-fat cream cheese. Simple, clean, perfect. But you can make them your own. Egg and cheese breakfast bagel, turkey, ham and cheese lunch sandwiches. Or keep it vegetarian and romantic like me. Every version is a love story. And just like that, our high protein red lentil bagels are ready. Simple ingredients, honest food, and a whole lot of heart. If this recipe made you smile, if it made you feel inspired, or if it is simply made you hungry, then my job is done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. From my kitchen to your heart. Enjoy. Why this bagel is game changer? And before we close, listen to this, because this is where the magic happens. Each bagel is under 350 calories with 30 grams of protein, 50 grams of carb, 5 grams of good fat, and 20 grams of fiber. That means I stay full longer, my cravings stays quiet, my muscles stay strong, and my fat loss stays on track. This bagel supports my weight loss journey and my health journey without feeling like I'm on diet. Real food, real result, real love for my body. Okay guys, let me try this healthy bagel. I always love bagel. This is healthy one, trying for the first time. Love it. I have two more in the air fryer. I'm hooked to it now. Delicious. I think this is better than the regular bagels I have. I love it.